we were watching the Blair Witch Project. You remember that? Yeah.
Okay.
So, just in case people don't remember what this movie was, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this here up on the screen, and because there's definitely gonna be some people out there that don't know what the hell this is. Oh no, haven't hit the 10-minute mark yet. That's all right. I think the HEL is
Alrighty.
probably fine. Um, and why is that not showing up here? Let's see. Let's see. Anyway, screw it. Blair Witch Project. Yeah, so we were watching that movie, and I don't care. That movie is creepy. Scared me, and what happened after we watched that movie scared me even worse
Yeah, I
than
was
that.
gonna say I don't think it was the movie itself. It was the aftermath.
Yeah, yeah. so you at the time lived at this let's just say it's in the middle of the woods, with that long ass like airport runway of a driveway
Yeah.
with the lights. So we would park on the end or the beginning of that driveway and then have to like walk down this scary freaking driveway at night. So before the Blair Witch Project, it was already scary. But anyway, so I think we went all the way to the house, and then we got freaked out, and then decided like, nah, let's go to that party that our friend was having in the city. I guess you can call it that, right? But so, what was it on? Was it on the way back to the car that we heard the noises, or after we got in the car?
You mean the lion sound?
Yeah,
Yeah, it was on the way back, and then I think we left, and I don't know.
yeah.
We were not really. Yeah, I don't remember sticking around too long after that.
Oh yeah, that 10-mile long cigarette driveway, as the
Yeah.
chat says here, and we have gone ahead and came on your screen there. Come on your screen. Can I say? Is that legal? Who cares? Nobody's watching, right? Except for the one person in the chat here. But yeah, okay. So I might get this mixed up a little bit, but this is true. This actually happened. So we get to the car, and uh, I want to say it was before we got in the car. I think that's what freaked us out. We were almost to the house, and we heard like a lion. That's the only way to describe it. That's what it fucking sounded like. Oh my god! Didn't hit the 10-minute mark. Damn. This is gonna be hard. Okay. Stupid YouTube. Okay, so let's just say that this is what happened. We were going to the house, and like we heard like the noise in the shed. So you got that creepy like Army of Darkness shed over there,
Mhm.
and like we heard like some clanging over there, and it sounded just like a lion. And so we're like, nope, we're gonna get out of here and go to that party instead. And so we go back to the car, and now the car doesn't start. And then, if I remember correctly, the light turned on or something
God, that's right. I forgot about
at
that
the
part.
yeah. So like on the shed or something and there's no like motion light over there. It
Yeah.
just turned on. Yeah, and so then so that's creepy enough. So we finally get the car started. That took a bit. Like it was a couple of minutes before we finally got it to turn over, and then we finally make that drive like all the way like through that scary road. Finally get into the city, as we call it. What is that? It better be hard here for the mailman. Well, a little bit of every once in a while doesn't do anybody any harm. But yeah, so we end up driving to the yeah. That was in the chat. Yeah.
Because he's texting me right now. Am I on the right channel? Do you see my comment?
Oh, wait, who is it? But yeah, so we end up driving to our friend's party, and oh,
Mhm.
there he is. Hey, what's up, fool? Hang on, I'm gonna give you one of these. Party time. That answers my question. Welcome to the Mailman Podcast, there, Mr. Stefan. May I say your name correctly next time? And but yeah, so we end up driving to the party, and as soon as we arrive, I think we had just opened the car door. That's my memory. It's like we were just like I stepped my leg out and he jumped on the freaking hood of the car.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And we bolted out of the car, left the doors open, the car running, everything, and just ran into the house. And he was like, "What the hell, man?" We're like, yeah. True story. So that's our experience with the Blair Witch Project. Actually, no, it didn't end there because we got your mom.
Oh, yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, we figured her out.
We made the little stick man.
Yeah, we made a bunch of little dudes and
We hung him in the
really good.
trees.
Yeah, they were really good. We hung them.
It hit her in the face, right? She was mowing the lawn and it hit her in the
Yeah.
face.
Well, she was. I guess she watched it too. I would think because she was pretty terrified and she was like slightly mad.
Yeah.
But
Oh, that's right.
yeah, you remember
Because
that?
she had just watched it and we had
Yeah.
just put those out and we didn't know that she watched it.
Mhm.
And then she came back. She's like driving the mower and hitting her face. Yeah, if you haven't seen that movie, you got to go see that. And it
Did we
is.
do that for that reason? Did we put them up because of that, or just to do it?
I think
That's
we just thought it was funny to and like we didn't know that she had watched it. I know that. Like
Yeah.
that wasn't the point. It was just so happens like we
It was
forgot
either
that we did it.
that, maybe she didn't watch it and she was just like, "Oh, this is not cool in my trees. Like this is not supposed to be here," kind of thing.
Yeah, maybe, but I think I remember her saying that she had just watched that movie and it freaked her out because
Yeah.
she hit her head on one of those things.
Yeah.
You know what it was? That's why we made them. Is because Matt was staying over and we put it on his pillow when he woke up after he watched it. So we made the little stick man,
That's right.
little chugminted or whatever. Yeah, that's right. Amy C. Anyway, real men do arts and crafts. Yeah, they're called hobbies.